After determining what quality accounting services you're going to be providing, after actually acquiring clients to do the work for them, one of the most important things is then your efficiency to do the work that determines your profitability. When you're busy with clients and perhaps too busy, maybe missing out on activities, holidays, vacations, maybe working too many nights or weekends, it becomes very important that you then look at how you can efficiently leverage technology to your benefit, using the various things that are available within the accounting community to do your work more effectively and efficiently. I invite you to learn more about this by enrolling in the Virtual Bookkeepers Roadmap program. This was designed by a CPA sharing with you her secrets as to how she ran her business with all the reports, processes, and technology that you need to efficiently run your business in a very profitable way. Enroll in the Virtual Bookkeepers Roadmap program and get the training as well as the tutoring and peer interaction that you need to find out what's working best for accounting professionals to ensure that you're effectively providing quality services profitably within your accounting firm.